rolling. I just did a video showing or presenting this slide projector Elmo auto changer made in Japan from the year 60s or 70s. This product came with this box, I mean two boxes. This is the auto changer. Okay, there's no more information than Elmo Co. Limited, made in Japan. Okay, so this box fits, or this part fits in this box. Okay, no big deal. And here we have the lens. And before show you the lens, it's come with this protection. So you take it out, and then you set the lamp for your slide projector. And here there is another box. Let me show you. There are another box with came with the projector. This is the top of the box, and here you should have a little cord that or used to lock the box. Check it out. So, of course, during the years, the box was damaged. There's no big deal. What really matters is the authenticity of the product. So, Elmo slide projector CV number 2 or second, doesn't matter. Take it out, check it out. Made in Japan, Elmo Co. Limited slide projector. There's no other information here, just for the protection. And note, there are little marks like this one, yellow marks. We call here this patina, okay? And here the tension cable with this little tag with caution. And this tag is a little bit yellow during the time. And check it out, this cute button and click. So, and now I will open the projector just to show you where the bubble lamp goes. Can you see? Can you see? Oh, right here. And there are more information. Use a projection lamp of such voltage as matches the power supply in your country. So here in Brazil is 110 volts. Okay. So let's close. As you can see, I don't have the bubble lamp yet, but I'm buying this lamp, this bubble lamp, as soon as possible. So let's close it again. Now it's closed. So, oops. Okay, now it's closed. So this is where you can put your hands to transport this product. So, and the more important, this place, this compartment where the slides should go, and then you put in here and press. Okay, and the auto changer is right here. With this movement, you change the slides from here to here, and then you set your lens, the size of your projection. Okay, and with this movement you change the slides. So for the time was a kind of good technology, I would say. But it is a vintage equipment for collectors or for your own use in your place. So this beauties, of course, soon will be available for sale. But now I'm just making the adjustments, and check it out here. Everything is working fine. It's working good, 100%. So, just to share with you my new acquisition, the Elmo slide projection CV number 2. I hope you enjoy it, and share your comments or your impressions. Thank you for watching.